stop.
Oh no!
Looks like another mission for our rescue team. Let's get those cars out of there and fix the bridge.
Oh no.
Help me!
Let me help you.
The crane truck is back at it again. Those cars will surely be brought to safety.
Thank you!
Hey, put me down.
We are taking this bully to the police. Bye-bye now.
Let's rebuild the bridge, please.
Okay, let's go.
These cars are putting in some serious effort. Let's kick off the action with some vibrant Lego blocks. That's the spirit. Get ready for the most stunning rainbow bridge. Now, let's add those colorful Lego blocks with care and precision. Our rainbow bridge is going to be a showstopper. Team has put in the effort to ensure this bridge is not only beautiful, but also sturdy. Now, let's watch as our cars cross it safely, showcasing the success of teamwork and creativity.
Hi, kids! Join the zookeeper and his lovely cow on an unexpectedly wild day. Subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting videos. Poor cow! Getting dragged over the pond like that! He is getting tired, but there is no place to tie the cow up.
Aha!
I don't think it's a good idea to do that, zookeeper. You might break the Just as we figured! The car went for a tumble thanks to him. Now we gotta figure out how to patch up that bridge.
What's going on?
Oh no!
It was my fault. I need your help.
Okay!
Crane truck to the rescue! Let's pull up that poor car.
Oh no!
Help me retrieve the pebbles from the river.
Okay!
Easy peasy for the crane truck! He's gonna scoop up those pebbles in no time. Careful and steady. We don't want to miss out on any of those pebbles.
Thank you.
We must repair the bridge.
How about building a new and better bridge? Our construction team is on it. Let's get rid of this old thing. This base is rock solid, and the whole thing just looks way better. This bridge is gonna be safer for everyone. And you know what makes a bridge even stronger? Cement!